You are able to do what you dream of doing. And the more we nurture that power woman that's inside of us, the more we fall in love with her, which is also falling in love with ourselves, the more fearless we become, the more aware that we are protected, the more knowledgeable we are. You have to be focused on what you want to experience. You want to be focused on what you want to have in your life. And it doesn't need to be what somebody else wants. It doesn't need to be what your husband wants. It doesn't mean what your mother wants. It's what do you want to experience? The decision of tenacity and taking charge of where do I want to go and what do I want to do and what can I do today? Not what I can do tomorrow, but what can I take today to take me to that next step? R.I.S.K is the belief in yourself to be who you're choosing to be today. And that means that you have the confidence and the wherewithal within that you know survive. You will not die by saying what you need to say, raising your hand and asking for the opportunity. You're not going to die from it. Trust me. If you think about R.I.S.K, if you think about R is your resolve to be who you choose to be. Your resolve to be true to yourself. I is the investment in yourself, that you're investing in who you dream of being, and you're going to take any action because investing in yourself is so important. S is for security. Security is that no matter what, you will do what you need to do to live the life that you want to live. It is not anybody else that gives you security. Some people have a false premise that the paycheck that you're receiving on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, is security. No, because if you do not produce, you will not have that check. If you are not a person worthy of being around, you won't get more money. Security is all within you. It is all you. So you need to know, stop putting security as outside of you, but being within you. And then the K is to know yourself, to know that you know what works, trusting in yourself, knowing that you are called to go into someone's office or sitting at a meeting and you have an idea. You know that that idea is a good idea because you've had it. Every single idea that you had, somebody else has had it. The difference is we all had been there. When we had an idea, we know we should share it, then somebody else should share your idea, and like, oh my gosh, that was my idea. He got the idea, you got the idea, she got the idea, but that one person said the idea. So you have to know yourself, that anything you're receiving, any insight and wisdom that whether it's a download, whether it's something that this would be great for our organization, my team, myself, you are the one that needs to know yourself, your courage. If your network looks like you, thinks like you, and talks like you, you're isolating yourself. Your role in this world is to appreciate the diversity and the beauty of all that's said. That's why we love taking walks and seeing the flowers and receiving a bouquet of different flowers and scents. It's why we love shopping for different clothes. We love wearing different items. But we have to love the people we surround ourselves with and expand our network. VALUE. So you write the word value going down your page. The first part of value is your V. What do you visibly do? A lot of times we never communicate what we visibly do. A stands for attitude. What is the attitude that you bring to the organization? L stands for leverage. Who do you know well enough that will help you out? U is for user resources. How do you use the resources provided to you by your company and organization to grow? Do you ever write a thank you note to your boss for sending you to that convention where you happen to meet somebody that made a difference? We all expect the benefits, but we never write the gratitude that we have those benefits. We act as though it is our God-given right to have that benefit, but it's not, because there are a lot of companies that don't have those benefits. Evolve. Who are you today, and who do you choose to be in 6 months or a year? How are you taking control of your career, your mindset, your work, so who you are today, you're choosing to evolve? And when you talk about being in the driver's seat, It is up to you to communicate where you want to go, because whoever you're speaking to about communicating your value, they know the opportunities that you might not know of, but you're perfect for. And that's what you do. You communicate your value. You got to tell people what you've done. You got to tell people what you're doing. You got to share that truth, because as you all know, nobody can read your mind. You are your own promoter. You are your own commercial. You are your own determinator. You are your own decision maker.